Jahia, and welcome to my vlog, my vlog, I see my vlog. So this morning we're about to make some green juice. Let me turn off this light. Let's see. Some natural light in the room. We're about to make some green juice. Because just to flush the body out, like I always talk about, health is wealth. So let's make some green juice this morning. We're about to go take a shower, and then we're about to see what we're gonna do today. Okay, so let's go. So we're gonna use our little blender. It's so cute, y'all. It's so personal. Like, look how small this is. This is the Ninja blender. We know Ninja is a good brand, y'all, so of course I want to use this. I'm about to cut up my vegetables and peel my oranges so we can have us a nice nutritious juice for the morning. And yeah, let's do that. I got done taking a shower, but I'm about to go to the Loves nearby. I don't know why they haven't given me a load. I do have 8 hours on my 70-hour clock, which is probably why. So I'm gonna go to this Loves, and then we just go chill at the pool. I look super duper good. Like, even like my bone, oh my god, I look healthy. I know that sounds crazy, but like, I look healthy. I don't feel healthy, but I look good. Potatoes, like roasted potatoes with like a Greek salad or something. So that's what I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make potatoes with a Greek salad. I really want a meal. So after me drinking my green juice, I ain't gonna lie, my stomach, like, I don't know what happened, but I'm feeling it. y'all, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm really about to edit this video, but I wanted to make an ending to the video. So I got some lemons, cut me up some lemons. And then I got a cup of water from the Loves that I'm at. And then I'm about to drink this to help my body. I really love, y'all want to know what I love? How defined my face is getting back. How my cheekbones are just flowing. And I just feel so healthy. I also got a cup of coffee, but I'm gonna drink this first before I go into that cup of coffee. And I'm also gonna make me a green juice this morning. But this is the ending of this video. I'm gonna make a beginning of the next vlog for tomorrow, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if y'all did, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. If y'all enjoy these vloggy vlogs like I enjoy them. And cheers. I hope you guys stay blessed.